Yeah, and I'm sure the crypto community, they'll be staying awake to find out what the Fed will decide, even though Ladi has said, is a member of the Fed, that it will be a whole decision.
Right.
Ladi, that's what I heard you say.
Yes, we hear consensus. At this point, it's going to be another hold because the U.S. Fed, they want to really understand what's playing out. With the U.S. economy, with the tariffs and counter tariffs and all of that. Afraid
but
of
President
global
Trump was
inflation.
not happy with the first hold.
Yeah, he wasn't happy, and
so
definitely he won't be happy with this one. He needs his cut
Okay.
at this point. Well, if you look at the color of the market, it's looking better now. Past 24 hours, we've seen recovery there from Bitcoin, Ethereum, back above $2,000. Quite interesting, 6.05%. But the past hour, we've seen a couple of pullbacks in the market there with Bitcoin, Ethereum, most of the currencies that we track. Let's look at the sentiment there. How are investors feeling? That's looking at the fear greed index. So it's better than extreme fear, but the market is still afraid. 32 points, what we have there. Some top headlines now. We see Picoin. They recently got listed on CoinEx exchange, marking a significant milestone for the project. We're also seeing Cathie Woods. She's saying Memecoins will end up worthless. That's her latest statement on Memecoins. But she believes that Memecoins associated with President Trump might actually still hold up. We'll definitely find out. But let's bring in Solomon Amunde now, financial market analyst. Hello, Solomon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Ladi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Solomon. So we're seeing the oracle of investing there, some might say, Cathie Woods, saying that most of these meme coins will be worthless, after a while. How do you see that?
Yeah, definitely. Most of the meme coins will be worthless. At least as much as 98%, if not even 99% of meme coins will be worthless eventually, because most of these meme coins are just created for pump and dump and just for unreal reasons, actually. So, and the rate at which these meme coins are created, we have over 1,000 meme coins created every day, like far more than 1,000 meme coins created every day. So no doubt, I can say that without any form of doubt, that at least 8% of meme coins will be worthless in the long run. Only a few would survive long term.
And I guess some investors still buy meme coins because they believe that it might do really well, whichever meme coin they're buying. But do you think a time will come where investors will be like, you know what, I don't want to touch meme coins anymore?
I believe that will be very difficult for a time like that to come, because most of these meme coins, they are based on cabals, and they give like the most return on investment for people that get in very early and key into the trend and the hype really early. So it's the high risk, high reward that makes most investors jump in. I mean, meme coins is a very easy way for them to turn like $5,000 to like 500,000 or $1 million. It's really easy. And for them though, and for people that have less capital, they're key into the hype and the hope of 100x to 1000x. But most times, before you're able to hit that big win, you would have lost a ton of money. So investors would keep draining capital.
So I guess greed is what's driving the flame of that meme coin market. All right, well, we're seeing current the Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're trying to get back up at this point with Ethereum over $2,000. But from their previous highs, I think Bitcoin is down about 20% from the previous high. The correction, is this still happening, or is this the start of a bear market?
Technically, we're not yet in a bear market. I mean, we've maximum correction we've seen from Bitcoin all-time high is about 30%, which it's very, very fair. In typical bear markets, we see as much as 60% correction, or even more than in some cases. So 30% correction is very, very healthy for Bitcoin. But what has been killing most of the alts, Ethereum included, is Bitcoin's drastic dump and the fact that Bitcoin has been claiming lots of the market dominance. So if Bitcoin can keep consolidating between 79K and 85K, maximum 86K, for the next 3 weeks to 1 month, most of the alts would regain most of their momentum. They would reprice. That's what Ethereum is trying to do right now. It's trying to reprice. But if Bitcoin makes another dip again for like 76K, 78K, you would see most of the alts make like a lower low So that's basically what has been happening for like a month plus now.
All right, so for the remainder of this week, what's your trade? Are you going long or short?
Right now, I'm still just adding up to some altcoins, and I'm trying to reduce the rates at which I'm trading features. So the only thing that will make me go long right now is if Bitcoin corrects again to the range of 81, 82K, then I might go long again because I just closed my Bitcoin long from yesterday. So I just closed it because of the brief pump we saw today. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to likely make another brief correction again, just as it has been ranging for about a week plus now between 81 and 85. I'm expecting it to still make another downward movement again. But if that doesn't happen, then it will be good news for alts. At least altcoins can have like a 20, 30 to 40% relief pump between today into the weekend.
All right, Solomon Amunde, thank you so much. Always great having your perspective.
Thank you very much, Laddie.